Yoshi, a single song. Welcome to the video. Today we're doing math. We're doing math. First, we must solve these two graphs. We are allowed to use Desmos. We are allowed. Let's get started. Yeah, sorry about that. Just had a little bit too much of ketamines, and some things happened. We're not gonna talk about those things, okay? Because we're gonna talk about math. Yeah. So, right here for our first equation, we have y. Sorry about shaky. Y equals negative 3x plus 5. And we also have 16x minus 4y equals x, and we need to know the solution for this equation. We must know if it is true and where it would be plotted, and if it's not true, if it is, no solutions or infinitely many solutions. I'm smart, yes. Okay. Alright. So, the first thing I did here is I distributed, as you can see. Remember, we are on the one, this one. So, yeah, so I just distributed. Ignore this one. Next up, I'm going to do the next step. That is to, do the thing after the distribution. We're going to be actually combining like terms. So after this really cool speed up. No! Okay, now what we got here is we have, what do we have? We have 16x plus 12x, plus 12x minus 20 equals 8. That's what we have. So now we're going to combine like terms. Or actually, the first thing we did was we did the equation thing. And then we're going to combine like terms. Okay. Now what we have is we have 28x minus 20 equals 8. Right there. You can really tell because of the chicken scratches, alright? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to do the thing with the sides. I completely forgot because we were supposed to do this a week ago. But we're going to do, I forgot what it's called, but we're doing the thing. We're going to add 20 to each side to remove 20. Here we go. That gives us our answer of 28x equals 28. And then we're going to divide 28x by 28, which equals x equals 1. So now we know the x value. So we can go ahead and write that down. So x equals 1. And now I'm going to grab a separate piece of paper because I am completely out of space for x. I'm going to do y on a separate piece of paper, and I'll still be showing you along. Alright, so I have a small piece of paper here. We're going to do, so now we know what x equals, we can plug it into, so now that we know what x equals, we can plug it into y equals negative 3x plus 12. So we can just, so that now that we know that x is 1, negative 3x would equal negative 3. So negative 3 plus 5 would be 2. So that means that y is equal to 2. Alright, now that we know that, we can check Desmos, alright? And I'll go ahead and switch over to my really cool Desmos screen. Okay, now we're on Desmos. We can see y equals negative 3x plus 5 and 16x minus 4y equals 8. And if we see here, we can see that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, and that's exactly what we got, so we got the correct answer. Okay, now I need to solve for y equals 2/3 plus 3 and 4x minus 6y equals 12. That's the second one right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in y, and then I'll subdivide after plugging in y. I'm going to go ahead and do that.
Butter dog, the dog with the butter. Butter dog, I got the butter on him. The dog with the butter. Butter dog, the dog with the butter. Butter dog, I got the butter on him. The dog with the butter. Butter dog, the dog with the butter. Butter dog, I got the butter on him. The dog with the butter. The dog with the butter. Butter dog, I got the butter on him. The dog with the butter.
Alright, so now that we did that, we have 4x minus 4x and then negative 18 or minus 18 equals 12 right there. And if we combine the like terms, we'll have negative 18 equals 12, which is not true. So this one, yeah, it is just, there are no solutions for this one at all. And let me go ahead and show you what it looks like on Desmos. Okay, now we're back on Desmos, and as you can see, we have the two equations plugged in, and they are not touching infinitely, so this is not true at all. Alright, now it says we must solve these two systems, and we must do them one at a time, and I'll just show you how to do it. So we're going to do the first one here, which is negative 5x plus y equals negative 2 with negative 3x plus 6x equals negative 12. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to times the top one by negative 6, so then the y's cancel out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright. I'm sorry if my handwriting is a little bit wonky here. But we have 30x plus 6y, or negative 6y, sorry, plus a negative 6y equals negative 12. Then we have negative 3x plus 6y equals negative 12. Now we're going to combine the two equations together. Watch and learn, children. Watch and learn. Okay, we're going to go ahead. We're going to combine the negative 6 with the 6, and that should give us a 0. And if we combine the 30x plus the negative 3x, we're going to also get 27x. So we're going to have 27x equals, and then the two negative 12s are going to come together and create negative 24. Which looks something like that. It's pretty hard to see, but that is a negative, or no, that is 27x equals negative 24 right there. And now we're going to divide we're going to divide negative 24 divided by 27. So let's go ahead and do that. So we can do negative 24 divided by 27, and we get that. That is a problem. That is where did I make a mistake? Okay. I just realized I messed up when I was dividing right around here because I was supposed to cancel out the two negatives. So this is positive 12 plus this 12, which makes it so then 27x equals 0. And I believe that is infinitely many solutions, I believe. I'm going to quickly go check on Desmos. This is getting quite interesting. Alright, Miss Goodnose, I am very sorry. I do not understand this problem, like, literally at all. I don't know how they're able to get 0, negative 2. I would be happy for you to explain that to me. I suck at these types of problems where you have to combine the two equations together. I don't like these ones. They're always kind of annoying. And I haven't done it in a while. But yeah. Quick disclaimer about this next part. I completely messed up the audio. I mean, completely. It's completely off sync and it looks god awful. But I'm too lazy to fix it now and redo it all because it's late and I'm not gonna redo it all. So, yeah, I'll live with it. Alright, that last one was a little bit disappointing and embarrassing. Hopefully I'm smart little man and understand this one. I really don't know what I did. I guess I don't know if I'm not supposed to times by -6 or something like that. Anyways, this video is getting extremely long, so I'm gonna go quick. We got -3x minus -3y equals 3. Y equals -5x minus 17. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to plug in y. So I'm going to do -3x minus, and then -3 times, and I'm going to do the y, so -3, or -5x minus 17, like that. And then I'm going to actually do it like I'm going to actually times -3 by -5, which gives me 15. Okay, I'm really stupid. And I'm going to do -3 times -17, which gives me 51. So then I get -3x plus 15x minus 51, and that is equal to 3. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine the x's together. So we have -3x plus 15x, so we're going to get 12x minus 51 equals 3. Now we're going to add 51 to each side to remove the 51. And that's going to give us 54. So we're going to get 12x equals 54. Stupid, I'm sorry, I wasn't showing you my work, but I was explaining it, and here it is. Oh wait, that's the wrong one, shoot. Alright, I need to go quick, Jesus. And then we're going to do 54 divided by 12. Then we're going to get, so then I got x equals 4.5. Now I'm going to plug an x into y, so y equals -5x, or now that we know, that is -5 times 4.5, which is equal to -22.5, and then we're going to do minus 17. So -22.5 minus 17, that is equal to, so that makes y equal to -39.5. Alright, hopefully you're able to sort of study that. And I'm going to go ahead and quickly check Desmos. I swear to God, this better be right. Alright, Miss Grindos, let's go ahead and try to plug this in and see if I'm wrong. Okay. Shoot. To be completely honest, I am so tired. I really don't feel like fixing this. I really over edited this video.